everyone, I'm back, and today I'm going to be building another one of those Harbor Freight workbenches you see sitting over there. That one's been working out so well that I thought I would add a second one. And once we get that built, maybe we'll see what we can do to modify them, make them a single bench, keep them separate. I don't know. I've been seeing a lot of different YouTube videos where people are modifying these workbenches, and they're doing some pretty crazy stuff. They're making them look pretty wild. So who knows, I might go down that path. But I got to get this one put together and we'll go from there. All right, there it is. Came together pretty quickly, I think. Wasn't anything too difficult about it. It definitely would have been better with a second pair of hands, but you know, I managed. So thank you for sticking around and watching. I'm gonna get this put in place with the other bench and then eventually figure out what I can do to turn it all into one big functioning bench. And then give me some of the much, holy crap, why is this